Start creating today. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who loves sewing, or you've always wanted to learn how to make your own clothes but didn't know where to start, today's video is definitely for you. We are taking a deep dive into a program called Sewing Pattern Secrets, and let me tell you, this is more than just a pattern collection. It's a complete step-by-step system designed to help you unlock your creativity and sew beautiful clothing with confidence. So let's talk about what makes this program so special, and why so many sewists, beginners and advanced, are falling in love with it. Sewing Pattern Secrets is a sewing program created by master seamstress Molly McGuire. She spent years refining her methods, and inside this program, she teaches you the real fundamentals of pattern making, but in a way that's simple, clear, and fun to follow. When you first join, you get instant access to over 125 professionally designed patterns. These aren't your average, confusing, hard-to-read patterns either. They are clean, modern, stylish, and incredibly user-friendly. Whether you want to make casual wear, cozy lounge outfits, kids' clothes, or even something more formal for special occasions, there's a pattern for you. One of the biggest things I love about Sewing Pattern Secrets is that it doesn't matter if you are a complete beginner or someone who's been sewing for years. The instructions are written in a way that makes every single design feel doable. Each pattern comes with step-by-step instructions, detailed schematics, accurate cutting lists, clear measurements and sizes, simple explanations of tricky techniques. This means no more staring at confusing symbols or guessing what goes where. The program completely eliminates that frustration. Another standout feature is the range of sizes. Every pattern includes multiple size options, so no more dealing with clothing that looks good but fits wrong. You can customize each piece to your body shape or to whoever you are sewing for. Imagine crafting a dress that fits perfectly, or making a shirt that looks like it was tailored just for you, because it literally was. That's the kind of confidence this program gives you. Picture this for a moment. You walk into your sewing area, the fabric is laid out, your tools are ready, and instead of feeling overwhelmed, you feel excited. You know exactly what steps to take because the pattern guides you the entire way. That's the experience Sewing Pattern Secrets aims to create. Every project becomes an opportunity to express yourself. You can experiment with different fabrics, colors, and styles. You can create something unique for your wardrobe, or even thoughtful gifts for family and friends. Another part of the program that often gets overlooked is the community. When you join Sewing Pattern Secrets, you're not alone. You are joining a group of other sewists who share ideas, tips, and inspiration. Having people to learn from and talk to makes the process even more enjoyable and motivating. Plus, and this is a huge bonus, you get lifetime access to the program. That means new patterns are added every month, and your design library continues to grow with fresh styles, seasonal outfits, and new techniques. As your sewing skills improve, the program grows right along with you. Just imagine creating matching outfits for family events, designing your own holiday dresses, crafting unique pieces for birthdays, parties, or even everyday wear. Every pattern becomes an opportunity to learn something new and create something beautiful. And with Molly's guidance, you'll not only finish each project, you'll enjoy the entire process. You'll feel more confident, more skilled, and more productive every time you sit down to sew. If you've ever wanted to make your own clothes, improve your sewing skills, or simply enjoy a fun and creative hobby, Sewing Pattern Secrets gives you everything you need. From easy-to-follow patterns to expert instruction to a community of supportive sewists, this program can truly transform the way you sew. Your creative journey starts with just one project, and who knows? This might be the beginning of something amazing. Let's get into the details and take a closer look at what's inside the program.